Hi, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to edit dark and moody filter using Lightroom mobile. Here are some example photos using this preset. Let's start editing. You can download this preset for free via the link in the description. But before that, the preset is protected by a password. Please watch the full video so you can see the password and download the preset. The password consists of 4-digit number and will appear separately like this at the top. Enjoy. Go to Light. Exposure -10. Contrast +16. Highlights -46. Shadows +35. Whites -51. Blacks to +11. Press curve. Follow these steps. If you liked this video, please subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notification. And done. Next, go to color. Temperature to +6. Thin to +6. Vibrance to -13. Saturation -10. Next, press color mix. Press green. Bring the hue to +51. Saturation -65. Saturation to -50. Luminance -22. Press orange. Bring down hue to -10. Saturation to -20. Luminance to +25. Next, red. Hue to -7. Saturation to +15. Next, aqua hue to +100. Saturation to -24. Next, blue. Hue down to -13. Saturation to -45. Press done. Next, go to effects. Clarity to +12. Vihaze to +34. Vignette -30. Midpoint to 0. Feather plus 100. Press split tone. Bring the hue 256 and saturation 10 to highlights. Then hue 204 and saturation 16 for shadows. Now copy this preset to another photo. Press copy setting. Paste setting here. If you liked this video, please subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notification. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.